Hi friends, welcome back. I am Miss B. I'm one of the children's librarians here at the Winchester Public Library, and welcome to another one of our crafty afternoons. For those of you who picked up our craft bag this morning at 9 a.m., I hope you'll craft along with me. And if you didn't get our craft bag, that's okay. I'll tell you what you can use at home to craft along with us, or maybe watch the video later and craft along with us then. All right, so our craft bags go out every Monday morning around 9 a.m. and they do go quick, and we will be doing these crafties every Monday as long as we're putting bags out. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask away, and yeah, let's get started. So we are making butterflies today, my friends. So I'm going to follow along the instructions, whichever you prefer, that we handed out. And I'm going to go right down the line. But if you have a different way or a different order you want to do your butterfly, that's okay. You do you. All right. So here we go. All right. So in our bag, we have our white bag. We have our pipe cleaner. We have our doilies that I've already pre-cut. I'll tell you all about those in a minute. And then some colored pencils. And of course, your googly eyes. So that's what we have here in our craft bag. And then there's just a few other things that you'll need that we suggest that you have. Some tape or some glue, your choice, a grown-up, and some scissors. I've got my handy dandy heavy duty scissors, okay? You're gonna cut with some scissors, my friends. If we've got some young friends watching, make sure you have your grown-up with you, okay? All right. So here we go. Instruction number 1, decorate your paper bag. I wanted mine to have swirlies on it, but I haven't finished yet. So this is what mine looks like right here. So I'm going to take one of my colored pencils. I'm going to add some stars. Feel free to do whatever you want. If you have paint, you can paint your paper bag, but just make sure you let it dry first. If you want to do markers, if you want to do anything else, it is your butterfly, so go right ahead and you do whatever makes you happy. I like stars and swirls, so that's what I'm going to do on my butterfly, stars and swirls. If you want to make a rainbow butterfly, you could do that too, whatever you wanted. If you have extra stickers, you want to make a sticker butterfly, go right ahead. All right, so here we go. That's our butterfly bag right there. And make sure, friends, when you decorate it, you've got the flap in front of you because this is gonna be a puppet too. So make sure it's like this. And if you've already done the back, that's okay, just decorate both sides. All right, here we go. So we decorated our bag. And then this is where, my friends, if you've got a grown-up with you, you might want them to help you out. You cut your doilies into a heart shape. The best way to do this is if you put them right in front of each other. So it looks like you've only got one doily, and you fold it right in half, and then you just draw yourself a little heart. Your doily, if you're working with our craft materials, was a circle. So just draw half of a heart, and then cut it right out. And then you've got butterfly wings. All right, so there we go. And you can decorate those too. If you see right here, I decorated mine with my fingerprints and a stamp pad. So that's what I did. And I knew I was going to have colored fingers, so I did it before I saw you because then it would be all over my face and it would be funny, but, you know, then I would be distracted. So here we go. So those are my butterfly wings. But again, you do your butterfly wings however you want. If you want to leave them plain, that's okay. If you want to do something else, you do you. Whatever makes you happy. All right. So there we go. Now what we want to do is we want to turn our paper bag into a butterfly, right? So you take your tape or your scissors and you flip your paper bag over so that the decorated side is down. And then you take your doilies and you do the same thing so that you have your hearts on the outside, okay? And this is why it's good to do it with tape, because if you don't like the way your wings are, you can adjust them. You can kind of untape them and readjust them. If it was glue, it would be a little harder. But if you're really confident in yourself or you just want to go for it and you want to use glue, you go right ahead. All right, so here we go. I'm going to tape my wings down right there, like so. All right. And I see we've had some friends join us. So hi friends, thanks for joining us on this Monday morning. All right, I hope you're nice and cool because it is humid outside. Woo! All right, oh, there we go. Now we've got some wings. Oh, and see, I only did one piece of tape because I wanted to make sure that they look good before I went to town on the tape. I'm pretty happy with those wings right there. So I'm going to tape them down a little more because we want our butterfly wings to flap, but we don't want them to just kind of fall all over the place. So there we go, just a little more. And this, if you're confident with your wings now and you want to add some glue, you can do that too, just for a little extra security. Your choice. All right, let me do one more piece of tape so we can move on to the next step. All right, put my tape down. All right, it's starting to look like a butterfly. All right, I'm gonna flip it right back over, decorated side up, and okay, we're gonna take our googly eyes. All right, and again, this is up to you. If you would rather draw eyes on your butterfly, that's okay. I'm gonna put mine right in the middle, like that. All right, Mr. Butterfly. There we go. Okay. And then, my butterfly is a happy guy. So I'm going to give him a nice, big smile. Just like that. There we go. All right. One more thing, my friends. So in your bag, you got one very long pipe cleaner. But butterflies have 2 antennae. So we get our scissors again, and if you're a young friend, make sure you have your grown-up help you, or at least standing nearby, and you fold it right in half, nice and even, and you give it one good cut. Now again, this is up to you. If you want nice straight antenna on your butterfly, like that, go right ahead and do that. If you want some curly antenna, just use your finger and hold on to your pipe cleaner and just wrap it right around, and then you've got some curl to your antenna. I'm going to do that with mine. All right, there we go. All right, and so here we go. This is where the tape comes in helpful again, comes in handy. It's very helpful because glue is hard with pipe cleaners. It doesn't stick very well. So if you want to give it a shot, or if you've got some handy dandy glue, some really super sticky glue, it'll probably work just fine. But all I've got is a glue stick, so I'm going to go with my tape. And again, if you don't like the placement of your antenna, you can just untape it and retape it back. All right. Whoop. Lost one there. All right, let's see. How do they look? Well, they're a little crooked, but that's okay. There we go. Whoop. Antenna down. There we go. Look at that. We've got our butterfly. Okay. And look, it's a puppet. There you go. And my friend, so there is our paper bag puppet right there, just like that. All right. And now that you've seen your butterfly all put together, if you want to make some adjustments, if you want to add some more decoration, change up your antenna, feel free because it's your butterfly. You can do whatever you want. But that is our craft for this Monday, very humid Monday afternoon. Thank you, friends, so much for joining me today, and we will see you back here, same time, same place, for another fun, crafty afternoon. So, until then, my friends, be safe, be kind, wear your mask, and wash your hands. I'll see you again next time. Thanks for joining me.